Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla Konrad K. Sangma bat ke Menteri Ketenat Karab Karyang Kong Amperin Lengdo haka arpusan tarik naitung kila pri pat ba ya ka jingelang naga benta ban Kyntiew ya ka yo ka kot Nongkyndong ni ka Summit for Rural Empowerment ya ka bala penlong ha State Convention Center. Haka ni ka singi ka Sorkar jela kala soiru ya ka soskular ni ka Memorandum of Understanding bat ki khatlai teli ki Technical but Research Institute ki ban netrelang ni ban pen Khubor ki pat ba ha ki Nongkyndong nak benta ban pen baha bat ban penjanai shu ya ka jing trekam da ka rukom pathamai. Menteri Rangba bat ka Menteri Karab Karyang kila samru da ki check shaki kenhun nong sengkam na kelang Khubor batip kum ki van dhan vikas kendra kabalakot baro syakalai pen khandai phoklur tengka. Na kalyang Menteri Rangba kumju ka Menteri habakran ha ka jingelang kilayathu baka Sorkar kala persang bun kilat kilenti na ka benta ban Kyntiew ya ka yo ka kot jong kinong rep bat kinong sengkam lajong ha ka jela lengba ki skim bat ki program ba pher kila ongru ba kini ki jinga trelang bakongsan hapo ka Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Vikas Mission kitmu ban pen kala ya ka roi kapa ki jaka Nongkyndong da ka ba wanra ya ki teknologi ka jing penmi ya ki mar bathamai bat ban pen yo ru ya ka yo hakeleng kari.
Us to meet here today in this important summit. The Pradhan Mantri Janatiya Vikas Mission is not just a scheme, but it is a powerful vision for empowering of our rural communities through enterprise, innovation and dignity. I can say with pride that our state is making significant progress in transforming rural livelihoods. Agriculture remains to be the backbone of our economy, especially of our rural communities. To achieve the goal of doubling farmers' income, the government of Meghalaya has adopted a grassroots-led approach rooted in sustainable agriculture, value addition, and strong market linkages. Today, in the state of Meghalaya, over 2.1 lakh farmers have been mobilized into 23,000 producer groups, with rupees 120 crore invested in seed funding under the Focus program alone. Complementing this, the CM Farm Plus initiative promotes climate resilient, high-value crops, while the state organic farming mission now covers 52,000 hectares, targeting 1 lakh hectares by 2028. These efforts are supported by Meghalaya Land through the investments in processing units, irrigation, warehouses, and prime hubs, which serve as farmer-owned incubation centers. Branding efforts like the Meghalaya Collectives are further enabling market access at national and international levels. At the same time, we recognize that agriculture in Meghalaya is deeply intertwined with our forests and indigenous knowledge systems. With more than 70% of our land under forest covers, our communities have long depended on non-timber forest produce, including broomgrass, wild honey, black ginger, bay leaves, mushroom, jackfruit, sorghum, and salt plum. These are rich resources that have supported rural livelihoods, but remain underutilized due to gaps in processing and market accesses. The Pradhan Mantri Janatiya Vikas Mission, led by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and implemented in Meghalaya through the Planning, Investment Promotions and Sustainable Development Department and the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, seeks to close these gaps. It builds our traditional strength, community ownership, biodiversity, and local knowledge to create a new model for rural entrepreneurship. the Institute of Hotel Management, Shillong, Ministry of Tourism. Shri Twingli Soshang from East and West Khasi Hills. Kama is Marmesh G. Moman from Dambo Rongjeng, East Yaro Hills. From West Khasi Hills. Representing Kyntiew. Representing Jabar Lumtop Jod is Richard Jana from Soyong, East Khasi Hills District.